All right, we have some news coming in on the Krishna Janmabhoomi case. The Allahabad High Court has rejected the Muslim side's plea. Muslim side challenged maintainability plea. The Allahabad High Court there to hear a case again on August 12th. The court rejects the application of the Muslim side, objecting to Order 7, Rule 11. Muslim side has received a setback. As we see here, they had challenged the maintainability of the petitions. Allahabad High Court now giving its verdict on the maintainability of the petitions related to Sri Janmabhoomi and Shahi Eidgah Masjid dispute. Abhishek, our correspondent, is speaking to the petitioner Vishnu Jain. Let's have a listen.
सॉल्व हो सकते हैं क्या सड़क पे सॉल्व हो सकते हैं क्या पार्लियामेंट में सॉल्व हो सकते हैं एक ही जवाब हो सकता है कि कोर्ट्स ही इसका निर्णय दे सकती हैं तो जो एप्रोप्रिएट फोरम था हम वहां पे मेहनत कर रहे हैं और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि जो अन्याय हुआ है उसको हम रेक्टिफाई करने में सफल होंगे
बड़ी जीत मानेंगे या एक कदम पास मानेंगे
एक कदम पास मानूंगा एक कदम आगे बढ़े अभी तो लंबी लड़ाई आगे बाकी है
शुक्रिया बात करने के लिए विष्णु शंकर आप जैन है सीधे तौर पर इस बात का दावा कर रहे हैं कि आज का जो फैसला है उसे एक कदम और पास ले गया है उस लड़ाई को लेकर के और कहीं ना कहीं अब हिंदू पक्ष को उम्मीद है कि भले ही मुस्लिम पक्ष इसके खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाए लेकिन वो पहले से ही कैविएट दाखिल करके कोर्ट कमीशन का जो सर्वे जिसको रोका गया है उसको सुचारू करने की बात कर रहे हैं जी
All right, so here we see a setback of the Muslim side is received as the Allahabad High Court has ruled that all the 18 suits filed by the Hindu side in relation to Krishna Janmabhoomi and the Shahi Eidgah Maidan, the Masjid and the Janmabhoomi dispute that eventually went up in court. As we see here, the court, Allahabad High Court, says all the 18 suits filed by the Hindu side is maintainable. The maintainability of the 18 suits filed by the Hindu parties that was challenged by the management of the Shahi Eidgah Masjid, the court now says it is maintainable. The Muslim side had objected and challenged the plea made by the Hindu side, and they had done it on the basis of the Places of Worship Act. And here the Allahabad High Court, though, has upheld the Hindu side's suit. Abhishek Mishra joining us for more on that. Abhishek, please elaborate for us the conflict and what the court has said.
Well, Nabila, it's a very big development as far as Hindu side is concerned. The maintainability of the suit stands in the High Court or in this particular case, and the objection by the Muslim side has been rejected, clearly saying that, it is not the violation of the Places of Worship Act, which the Muslim side was saying at the moment. I'm joined with Vishnu Shankar Jain, who is with me right now. Vishnu ji, how far you have come in this case, and do you find that this is actually the point you were referring to, maintainability suit, and what is your next strategy?
See, continuously we were arguing this point, that this case is not barred by Places of Worship Act. And the compromise which happened on 12th October 1968 is an illegal compromise, and we have all the rights under the law to agitate it before the court of law. From past 4 years, this matter was being argued in the court from 25th of September 2020 to be very, very precise. And before the Honorable Allahabad High Court, 4 months of detailed hearing has happened from February to May on the issue of maintainability. And it was argued by Shahi Eidgah Masjid that this case should be nipped in the bud. And this case is barred by Places of Worship Act, Limitation Act, Waqf Act, Specific Relief Act, Order 23, Rule 3A. And today the Honorable Allahabad High Court, after detailed hearing, has rejected the application of Shahi Eidgah Masjid and has held that all these suits disclose cause of action and they are not barred by any law, and the next date of hearing is 12th of August. So we will be proceeding further with the trial, and so far as the issue of evidence is concerned, there is already an order passed by the Allahabad High Court granting Advocate Commission survey. That order has been stayed by the Supreme Court on the plea of Shahi Eidgah Masjid, and their basic contention was that 711 application has not been decided, therefore this order could not have been passed.
Do you think it's a big victory for you, or you have just gone close to what you want?
No, we have gone close, we have gone a step further. Victory will be on that day when we will be ultimately succeeding in the suit. So we have gone a step further towards the truth, and I'll be moving to the Supreme Court for vacation of the stay order.
So that is Vishnu Shankar Jain clearly speaking that they will go to the Supreme Court filing a caveat to get the hold from the court commission survey, and at the